Hello and welcome back, and thank you for joining us. My name is John Shin and I'm the Senior Product Specialist with Empower Brokerage. Today we're going to cover 3 tips for people in the Qualified Medicare Beneficiary Program. So if you're among the 7.5 million people in the Qualified Medicare Beneficiary QMB Program, Medicare providers aren't allowed to bill you for services and for items that Medicare covers. It includes things like your deductibles, co-insurance, and co-payments. So if a provider asks you to pay, that's against the law. So if you get a bill for these charges, tell your provider or the debt collector that calls you that you're in the QMB program and you can't be charged for Medicare deductibles and co-insurance and co-payments. Even if you've already made payments on a bill for services and items Medicare covers, you have the right to a refund. And so to make sure your provider knows that you're in the QMB program, show both your Medicare and your Medicaid or your QMB card each time you get care. You can also give your provider a copy of your Medicare summary notice. It's called an MSN. So your MSN will show you're in the QMB program and that you should not be billed. So log into your Medicare.gov account and at any time to view your MSN or sign up to get your MSNs electronically if your provider won't stop billing you. So you can call Medicare at 1-800-MEDICARE, 1-800-633-4227, and we can confirm that you're in the QMB program. The government can also ask your provider to stop billing you and refund any payments that you've already made. So number 3 here, if you have a problem with a debt collector, and you can actually send a complaint to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It's called the CFPB online, and you can call the CFPB toll free at 855-411-2372. And they will take your account into the complaint into consideration and contact the debt collector to get a response from them. So find out your rights when responding to a debt collection, or learn how to dispute an error on your credit report at consumerfinance.gov. Okay guys, that's it for today. That's all we have. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or give us a call at Empower Brokerage, 888-539-1633. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.